In today's video, I'm going to teach you use AI to automatically create a simple expense tracker in Google Sheets. This is a quick, reliable way to get organized without starting from a blank page, and it uses Gemini, the built-in assistant that can set up the structure for you in seconds. With your Google Sheet open, start by opening Gemini. You can click the Gemini button, which looks like a sparkle icon, or go to the Insert menu and choose Help Me Organize. This brings up a panel where you can describe what you want, and Gemini will draft it right in your sheet. Think of it as telling the sheet what your tracker should look like, and letting the AI do the setup work. Next, enter your prompt. A clear prompt makes a big difference, so type something like, "Create a simple expense tracker with columns for date, category, vendor, amount, and status." These 5 columns cover the essentials. Date helps you sort by when you spent the money. Category lets you group similar expenses, like groceries or transportation. Vendor records where the money went. Amount is the cost, and status can mark items as paid, pending, or reimbursed. Keep the prompt short and direct. You can always refine it afterward. Gemini will generate a preview of the table. Take a moment to review it. Check that the column names match what you asked for and that the layout looks clean and readable. If the structure fits your needs, click Insert to add it to your sheet. In just a click, you'll have a ready-to-use expense tracker placed right where you want it, saving you the time of building it manually. Now, refine it with AI to make it more insightful. In the same Gemini panel, ask it to add a pie chart of spending by category. This gives you a visual snapshot of where your money is going at a glance. You can also ask it to generate a formula for total expenses, which will sum the amount column automatically and keep your totals up to date as you add new entries. The AI will insert the chart and formulas for you, so you don't have to remember any specific syntax. And that's it. You opened Gemini, described the tracker, previewed and inserted it, and then enhanced it with a chart and a total fast, clear, and ready to use. Thanks for watching.